Adding a RSVP link to your Canva invitation is the difference between a party that actually happens and a total ghost town. If you just send a static image, you are making your guests do all the work of typing out a URL manually, and most people just won't bother. I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a clickable RSVP link directly into your design so your guests can confirm with one tap. Stick around until the end because I have a specific tip on how to format your final file so the link actually works when you send it, which is where most people completely mess this up. The reason your links usually don't work is that Canva treats your design like a flat picture by default. Think of it like a printed poster behind a glass window. You can see the information, but you cannot interact with it. To make a link clickable, you have to tell Canva that a specific element is a gateway to another website. If you just type out the text of a link, it's just decorative. You need to actually attach the digital destination to the object so computer knows where to send the person who clicks it. To get started, open your browser and go to canva.com. In the search bar, type an invitation template to see your option. Pick a design you like and click on Customize this template. Once your design loads, you can edit all the information to match your specific event. When you are finished editing, click on the Share button. You will see multiple options, but you need to click on the More option. Then use the search bar to type in Create e-cards. Click on that tool and select Open. From here, you click Save to process the design. This tool allows you to finalize the invitation so that it functions as a digital card. After the design is proceed, you will see the option that directs you to add the RSVP link direct to the card. Following these steps ensures the link is properly embedded. Now, for the pro tip I mentioned earlier, if you download your invitation as a JPEG or PNG, your RSVP link will be broken. These formats are strictly for images and do not support web links. You must download your invitation as a PNG standard or use the Canva Live Link. This is the only way the link stays active for your guest. If you want to send it on WhatsApp or email, the PDF format keeps the invitation interactive and professional on every screen. Now that your RSVP is sorted, you should look into how to set up an automated guest list to handle all those responses coming in.